No, you're looking particularly lovely today.
Thank you. Who are you, and can you tell us what you do?
I am Tim Wright, and I'm a writer. But I'm a digital writer in that I tend to work almost exclusively on cross-platform projects, a lot of web work, some mobile, a lot of interactive applications. I've been doing that for about 15 years. And some of them are my own original work, some are collaborations, and I also consult with broadcasters like the BBC and Channel 4 on interactive cross-platform development, mainly of drama and fiction more than anything else, but I've also done news sites and documentary as well.
So do you think the term writer does you justice in what you do? Does it cover all the things that you do?
No, I tend to call myself a digital writer in order to confuse people.
Okay.
And also not to belong to the group that people call writers, because I think that most people don't think very much of writers and think they do just one thing, which is sit in a room and write. And that's what I definitely don't do. So it's a digital writer because I tend to work online or on networks and in multidisciplinary groups. So I'm not that solitary person in an ivory tower just controlling my stuff.
Okay, so are there any changes that you've made in your particular professional or in your particular professional practice?
Yeah, I think the thing that when I was thinking about this is I have tried more and more not to work with traditional script formats, and particularly I don't really want to work in Microsoft Word ever again, although I still do. And I don't particularly like the idea of starting with a script with just words on a page. I have started developing a lot more in public on systems like YouTube and in blogs and wikis and stuff like that, making a terrible mess that most people don't understand in public as the first phase of development of a project, which is highly unprofessional and embarrassing and not the way broadcasters would like to see people producing work.
So you've met resistance to that kind of change?
Oh, no question. Obviously, most times that you want to get support, either in the form of funding or staff or just general buy-in, you get asked for either a script or a summary, a 2-page, 3-page summary. So basically what people want is a block of words on a white background. That's what gets you interest and attention. So if you say, oh no, I'm not going to give you that, feels like it's pretty dumb. But it seems to me the wrong place to start. These days I feel like it feels like such the wrong place to start when thinking about producing a cross-platform multimedia project, to start in that very confined space of black text on a white screen. Static.
Sure. So one final question then. What's helped you in making that change then?
Certainly the fact that there are just more and more easy to use and pick up tools, digital tools with which to write in a different way, like that camera for a start, and free blog accounts and Twitter accounts and Flickr accounts and any other account you can think of. The fact that there are just very easy to pick up digital tools to start creating and playing with, like you would as a child, sort of rather aimlessly, and shaping into something meaningful. And they're free, and they're pretty loose, and their network means you can meet people and collaborate with them very, very quickly, friends or strangers. If you think about a word processor, you can't do any of those things with it. So why use it?
Thank you very much.